Scott McElroy here with Turf Informatics, and I'm going to talk to you right now about what we're doing as far as data exploration and people who are buying the app if they would like to become a data explorer. And so what you're seeing right now is actually people who are actually taking Stimp meter measurements, and they are actually measuring pitch and Y speed as well. So let's take a look at the Y speed data. So what we have in this figure is you can see Stimp distance along the along the x-axis there, and then we have our Y speed along the x-axis, and you see we're getting a pretty good correlation here with our standard settings. So according to this figure, what we're getting is that at a Stimp of 10 you should be getting a Sphero measurement of around 57.8 thereabouts. So very interesting results we're getting here with this trend, and you can see with a measurement of a Stimp of 8 would be getting a 52. So it shows us that everything's stretching out between 52 around 52 centimeters per second for Y speed, upwards of predicted of getting close to 63. So, but what we need here is we need more data. So if you'd like to become a data contributor and tell us what your Stimp meter measurements are and tell us what your Y speed measurements are, we'd definitely like to see them, because we're getting similar trends with pitch, and this is average pitch coming out of the Sphero Turf Research app. And then we're doing the same scale here. We have a Stimp of 8 going up to 12, and we get a Stimp of 10 gives us a pitch of about 12.4, and then a 11 gives us a pitch of about 9.7. Of course, we need some more higher numbers here in this region to see how well our correlation is getting, and this may not be a linear correlation. Right now we're saying it's a linear correlation, but it actually may be more of a non-linear correlation, especially here at the tail. So we're collecting more data to try to give us greater understanding. But right now, if you're using the Sphero Turf Research app, we would say that if you're in the standard range here, that you should be moving from about a 15 pitch for a 9 Stimp and about a 12.5 for a 10 Stimp, and getting up to 11 you should be at about 9.7. And then if we look at our Y speed, if you're out there using the Sphero Turf Research app, you should be at about a 55 speed for standard settings. With a 9 Stimp, you should be about 57.8 for a 10, and for an 11 you should be about a little over 60. And as we get more data, we'll be able to see, does this trend hold up? So if you have the opportunity, see our Become a Data Explorer page on our website and try to become a data explorer.